everyone, tonight I am making a video to help anyone who's trying to replace the Braun Silk Epilator Expressive type number 5377, and it's using a lithium ion battery. This is the original battery from Sanyo UR18500L lithium ion battery, 3.7 volts. Not too sure about the capacity, but what we intend to do is to replace this battery. It's very hard to find this battery online, so I got a replacement battery which is a similar length, 18500 series, but doesn't have this tip on it, but we'll see. Okay, first thing first, we have to open up the existing epilator. So I'm just gonna show you how. Alright, just press this, release this hat, put it away. Ugh, what is this? Alright. Here, okay. Oh, this is disgusting. It's not mine. Okay, so I'm just going to use this T8 screwdriver and just open the bottom. There's one screw here. Come on. Alright, try to get it out here, and then just put it aside, and I'm going to pry this open. You can use like a Phillips screwdriver or something smaller like this, and just trying to work it out a little bit here. See, as you can see, yeah, just slowly and slowly from both sides. We should be able to pry it open. And oh, sorry, before we do that, actually we need to take this dial out. Yeah, just remember how to put it back in. You see this this tip, it will have to rest here. See, the position is 0, so it's off, right? Just remember that. Never mind. Alright, so let's pry this open. Ooh, what have I done? Then you can just try slowly. Away until it's kind of open. You can take this. Just remember, it's actually stuck here because I think we need to push this out a bit. Just push it, your finger or use something blunt, and then you can pull the unit out, so it's easy to detach this. So what it has in this unit is basically this battery that we want to replace. In order to take it out, use the T8 screwdriver to loosen this screw, and then you can push it out a little bit, and then you can take out the battery. So the original battery is the red one, but I'm replacing it with this one, the yellow one, lithium ion 3.7 volt, 2500 milliamp hour, 18500 series. So it's the same length as the original, as you can see, right? It's just the tip that's different. The tip originally was like this, alright, and it comes with this this rubber on it, So I gotta pull it out, and then fold it, and we're just trying to make the contact so that it's easier later on for it to have contact with the metal here on both sides. So this is the plus and this is the negative, plus minus. So it was like this originally. Alright, now remember, don't get the polarity incorrect. This one has to be plus up here, so we're just gonna put it in again, because I did it already, and then try to squeeze it in, and then it should fit nicely. And put the screw, tighten the screw, not too tight, just tight enough. And then if you turn this, just to check whether the contact is okay or not, you have to, like, see, there's no light. It means that the contact is not that great. So we want to have a good contact. I think I have to do it again. So just gonna, oh come on, easily take this out. Gonna check this again. Gonna make sure that it will have a good contact, and then same for this one. I think I just have to make it like this. So that it will work. So just put it back in. You see the contact here. See, tighten this. Really hope it will work. Alright, see? The red light will blink. I don't know, the battery is actually charged, but the first time you put it in, it will be like this. And then as long as when you move this dial, it will blink, it means that the contact is good. And then the plus is up here, minus down here. I'm just going to put it back without further ado. Oh my god, what is this here? I'm just going to put it in. See how to put it in? Just make sure it slots in here. Back here again. And then before you push it all the way in, just remember to put this collar back on, because we need to insert. I'm just gonna push it. Oh, sorry, push this one out. What am I doing? All right, just push the dial to the off position again, and then we're just gonna insert. You see this blue light LED plastic. Just have to go into this LED hole in there. And okay, slide it in, and of course this fella will have to like do. Alright, go in easily. If not, then just press it and it will just click. Once this is in, let's put the screw back on, and let's just tighten it, but not too tight. As long as these are all secured, we just put this back on. Remember, it was on the off position when this dial was on the very left. Even if you get it wrong, you can redo it, that's fine. Just see this tip. This tip is like here. See the off position here. Alright, this is the correct position. Just use that and try to put it back in. And then as I move the dial, yeah, it doesn't turn on, but we just want to check the position. On, off, right, off. That's fine. So the trick is to turn this baby back on. It's easy. We just get the charge. Bling, bling, bling. We know their batteries. It's not fully charged, but last time I measured it's like 3.9 volts. So once it's fully charged, it will stop charging. But we just triggering it. I found that once you plug this in, you unplug it, because the battery has charges. You just take it out, and it will work. See? Just like new. Alright, I pop this back on. Last time I measured it's like 3.9 volts. So once it's fully charged, it will stop charging. But we just triggering it. I found that once you plug this in, you unplug it, because the battery has charges. You just take it out, and it will work. See? Just like new. Alright, I pop this back on.